Hello students, welcome back. The last type that we are going to discuss is type 4, and this is written in the form LA2 power x or LA2x plus MAX equals to n. Okay, now such types of equations are called exponential equations in which variable occurs in exponents. To solve such equations, we substitute ax equals to y. Now as you can see in this equation, we have the variable that is in the exponent, it's in power, right? To solve this type of equation, what we are going to do is we're going to suppose ax, this value, equals to another value, and then we'll further solve it. Now let's see how we solve it. We are taking an example out here. It's 4x minus 3 into 2 x plus 2 plus 32 equals to 0. Now first of all, what we are going to do is we simplify this equation into the standard form. Okay, the standard form was LA2 power 2x plus MA power x equals to n. Now we know that 2 square equals to 4. Okay, this is the one thing we need to keep in mind for now for this particular part. Now see, it's written 3.2 x plus 2 plus 32 equals to 0, and it was written 4 out here. Now it's written 2 power 2x because this 4 can be converted into 2x simply by writing 2 square instead of 4. Okay, now we are solving this part, that is 2 power x plus 2. Now 2 power x plus 2 is equals to 2 power 2 dot, or you just multiply it 2 power x. Now this is the way we write it, it's like base same power at. Alright, so what I have done out here is I've just written it in its standard form, that is 2 square into 2x. Okay, and if I just substitute it back in this equation, what will I get? 2 power 2x minus 3 2x dot 2 square. Okay, what I have done is instead of written 2 power x plus 2, I have written it 2 square into 2 power x. Alright, plus 32 equals to 0. Okay, now you can see these are the numbers, constant numbers 3 and 2 square, they will be multiplied. Okay, 2 square is 4, and finally when they are multiplied, 3 into 4 which gives you 12, 2 power x plus 32. Now if you just compare it with this general form, it says LA2 power x. Now out here 2 power 2x, L is 1, okay, M 12, AX, that is 2 power x plus 32. Okay, now it's actually converted into my standard form. Okay, now let y equals to 2x. Let's go back. I said that we will be supposing y equals to a power x, this variable. Alright, and this is twice the variable, twice of x. As written out here, it's ax, so this first term is a2x. Okay, so y equals to 2x. Let's name it as equation A. Now I will be squaring both sides of the equations because I need to get a quadratic form. So y square would be 2x whole square, which gives me y square equals to 2 power 2x. Alright, now why I have done that? Now let's see. If I do this, this was my general equation, the question that I have converted into the general form. Alright, now substituting this two values, that is y equals to 2 power x and y square is equals to 2 power 2x, have now given me a quadratic form of equation, that is y square minus 12y plus 32 equals to 0. And that is what I wanted. I want to reduce that particular equation into quadratic form. Okay, now what we are going to do is that we're going to solve the following equation by using quadratic formulas or by using factorization if possible, and by using perfect square. Okay, these are the answers that I got: y equals to 4 and 8. Alright, now I know that y was actually my supposed variable. Now I have to do some back substitution, okay, to find out values of x. Now substituting this value of y in equation A, Okay, now when I put y equals to 4, okay, in this equation, just if you just look at this part, y equals to 2x was my initial supposition. I've substituted y as 4 equals to 2x. Now you know that 4 can also be written as 2 square, alright, and according to the log property, if two numbers are equating and have same basis, okay, but different powers, you can write it as x equals to 2. You can just equate their powers, okay. Similarly, I've done the same thing for y equals to 8 as well. Y equals to 2 power x, 8 equals to 2x. 2 cube, 8 can also be written as 2 cube equals to 2x. This is by just making bases equal, right? I can just equate their power easily. So that is how I solve it, that I just change its form into 2 cubes such that the base out here is same, that is 2, and this is 2. Powers are different, no matter if powers are different and they are equating, okay, and bases are same, what we can do is we can equate the power. So x equals to 3 is my final answer. Now this is the solution set, which is 2 and 3. Now if you just go back and see what exactly my equation is and how we solve it, let's go back. This was my type 4 equation. As you can see that in this type, particularly this type, the power, the variable actually is in power and is an exponent form, such that first of all what you're going to do is we're gonna make suppose it a x equals to y, then only we can find out a quadratic equation. We'll solve it and then we'll do back substitution to find out value for x, okay. So this is the exponential equation. I hope all 4 types are cleared by now.